Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change undo send time period in Gmail. For starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Gmail account and then you see setting icon. So click on it and then you see all settings. So again click on it. Now loading. Now we are in general setting and then you see undo send cancellation period and then you see time in seconds. So by default 5 seconds. Now select, you see multiple options, so you can select value according to your requirement. So when you send new email, then you see option after sending email undo send. So after 5 seconds that option will disappear. So if we set 20 seconds, so that option will show up to 20 seconds after sending email, and then scroll down, click on save changes. So your changes will be saved. So it's up to you. So you can set time according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.